Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tune into the Market Beast edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, and today we'll be exploring the S&P 500. We're going to go over this as much as we possibly can throughout the week, at least 3 times. So if you're just stopping in, welcome. We'd love to have you and earn your subscription as we go over the details. If you find any valuable information, go ahead and join us here on this interesting journey. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel thanks to your engagement and your support. Thank you guys for that. Cheers. All right, so let me just go over one or just 2 levels as the market is appearing to experience a little bit of downward pressure. But don't be fooled by this red screen. I'm going to go over the details as far as where the markets are potentially headed. So let's dive into the charts, shall we? All right, so today's February the 2nd, 2021, and the current price of the S&P 500 is going to be $3,883.29. It's down approximately 0.4% for the day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the lines. That's it, really simple. So what you're looking at, if you're just stopping in, we were following this overhead resistance line that I did not want it to close below as this weekly candle here at February the 22nd, 2021. That level is at $3,855. So notice it closed below that line, but it appears that the buyers are stepping in immediately and pushing the price to the upside. What's going on right now is they're actually clearing the sell orders overhead in preparation for the price to move higher. This is my speculative observation of what's going on. Please do not use this as financial advice and do your own research as you use your hard-earned capital in these markets. Know where you're going to enter, know how much you're going to enter, and know where you're going to take a stop loss if this market goes against you. Execute your strategies. Okay, that's what I mean when I say that. So again, don't be fooled by this red screen. Excuse me. I realize it appears to be a down day, but it's actually above the first level that we went over on the weekly S&P 500 update. Okay, the market correction update. Okay, it's above $855. As long as it's above that level, yeah, the markets are in preparation to move higher. Okay, now there is an alternative level, and I'm gonna just go ahead and pull out the, let's see, I think it was on the 3-day, the level that we were saying 3,600. I do remember saying that. Yes, I do remember that. So this is the level. It's still kind of creeping up or slowly going up, whichever one you want to refer to it as. It's still at like $3,600. It's actually gone up a little bit, $3,615. So as the days progress, it's going to continue to go up. Do I think it's going to need time to touch this level? Well, not necessarily. Let's just pull up the weekly candles and I'll give you the alternative level and we'll just close this video out. It's a really short video. Thank you for your time here. So if the markets continue to push down, really simple. We've already gone over $3,855. So I'll go over the alternative level that it needs to stay above in order for me to feel comfortable, knowing that the markets are in preparation to move higher to potentially $4,000. That psychological level just overhead, okay? So the lower line down here is at $3,762. If there is a back test of that level, that's fine. I'm going to be paying close attention to the volume. Interesting way that I pay attention to the volume in candlesticks on a variety of time frames to understand whether or not the market is going to move higher. Okay, but so far, again, this is really simple. What's going on? They just cleared the sell orders overhead, so now it's potentially going to experience some downward pressure. But yeah, $3,762. Make sure you're writing these levels on, at least just kind of set an alert for them, right? Excuse me, I guess I'll do that right now while we're live here. Just set an alert for that level, because if it gets to that level and it spikes to that level, as long as it's holding above that level for the weekly candles and 3-day candles, what I would prefer them to stay above. Yeah, it's just in preparation to move higher, guys. I know I said that like 5 times already, so let's close the video out. Hopefully you guys are doing well out there. Hopefully you're executing your strategies, okay, and you're not overexposing yourselves in these assets. And not listen to me taking this as financial advice, okay? Remember, don't do that. All right, so again, take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio. Also, before you go, hopefully we've earned your subscription at this point if this actually comes to fruition, if these levels are interesting here in the short term. We do cover the alternative markets, so if you did hit the subscribe button, click the all bell. We'll send you that information when it's available, the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins and more, okay? Altcoins is, yeah, more, okay? So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios, okay? Execute your strategies. We're going to cut it out here, so we'll talk soon. Bye for now, guys.